These bacon-wrapped stuffed dates are the perfect appetizer when entertaining any time of the year. Thanks for watching! Start by cutting your dates right down the middle, just halfway through, and removing all the pits. Once done, create the filling by mixing together the goat cheese, orange zest, and maple syrup. Stir everything until smooth. Take a tablespoon and fill each cavity of the dates with a tablespoon each. Close them gently, and it's okay if it doesn't close all the way. Take half of a slice of bacon and wrap it around the date. Place a toothpick through the date, making sure it goes through where the bacon overlaps, and then place them on the prepared baking tray. Bake them in the oven for 15 minutes, and then turn them all over. Place them back into the oven for another 10 minutes or until nice and crispy. Place them on the serving tray and drizzle with a little bit more maple syrup, and you're ready to serve. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.